In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a new post in Kidblog. I've logged into my Kidblog account and I'm on my dashboard. To create a new post, you're going to click the New Post button. You'll have an area where you can title your post and create your post in this text box here. You'll see that you have some editing tools: bold, italicize, underline. You can change the size and the font. You can color things. You can do a bulleted list or a numbered list, change the alignment, and you even have a spell check option. One thing that I like to do in blog posts is insert media. Now you can use a picture, or you could use a link to a website, or even a video, and kids would review that, and that can really is a good way to get a conversation started. So in this blog post, I'm going to insert a video for my students to watch. And to insert media, you're going to click the Insert Media or the Add Media button, and it will give you a choice. You can either drag and drop files from your computer. You can select files from your computer. So if you have a video or a picture of some kind, you can add it that way. You can also insert from an URL. So if we click on that tab, we'll see we have the option of inserting an image or audio, video, or some other kind of a file. So I'm going to insert a video that I have from YouTube. And I've already gone to YouTube and found my video. Underneath the video on YouTube, I'm going to go ahead and click the Share button, and I'm going to copy the link that it gives me. Then I'm going to go back to my blog post, and I'm going to paste the link or the URL into this area here. And I also need to include some link text. So this is what kids would click on if the video was not available. Now this is going to embed the video on the blog page, so the kids aren't going to have to go to YouTube and watch the video. It's going to be right there on the blog underneath my post. This works with only certain services, so you need to be sure that you're using one of the services that's listed down here. And I've used a YouTube video, so I'm going to go ahead and insert this into my post. Now when you are previewing your post, you're only going to see the link to the video. When you actually publish the post, in other words, make it live, you'll see the video embedded in the post. So after you get your post done and you've spell checked it and you're ready to go, you have some different options for publishing. You can save this post as a draft. So if you weren't finished with it and you wanted to come back and look at it later, you could save it as a draft. You could preview what it's going to look like on your blog page. It tells you the status. Right now it's in draft mode. It tells you the visibility. It will be public when we publish it. And you also have the option of publishing it immediately or scheduling this to be published at a later date. You can move it to the trash if you no longer want this post. We're going to go ahead and publish the post. It'll take just a minute, and then we will see the post on the blog, and you can see instead of the link to the video, it actually embeds the video right on the page. And that's a great way for kids to watch a YouTube video without actually sending them to YouTube. So if we look at below the post, you'll see there is an area for your kids to come in and comment on the post, and then they can watch the video and leave a comment. So again, to create a new post, if you're in the control panel, you can do it there, but you see also you have the New Post button right here on the front of your blog, so you can go in and create a new post for your blog.